Hi guys, so tonight I'm gonna be eating Korean, well, not only Korean noodles, but Korean food that I bought from a Korean store. So I was like browsing in there and to see what I can find, and I found this new Korean noodles, which is, I actually already cooked it, but I took a picture of it earlier, so here I'm gonna post it here, or just like probably in front of me, something like maybe here. And I bought seaweed. I already ate some of it, so that's why it's open. But yeah, I bought seaweed, and then I bought this chocolate. It says chocolate chiffon, so this is like a chocolate bar. So I'm gonna try it. They have the vanilla flavor in this one, so I just took this one because yeah. And then I bought a pomegranate juice, which also I already took a picture of, so I'm just gonna post it, or I'm gonna put a picture here. And then I bought classic cheese. I haven't eaten this before, so I'm actually kind of hesitant and excited and kind of nervous to try this. So there's that. And then I bought another chocolate. Is this coffee chocolate? So I bought another chocolate cookie, and there's like a picture of coffee there, so I think there might be like a choco coffee. And then this one, a strawberry cookie, so I'm excited to try these. So yeah, first I'm gonna eat my noodles. I'm gonna open one of these. This is their new import in the Korean store that I go to if I want a Korean noodles or just want Korean snack. And also it's like the closest Korean store where I live, so yeah, I bought Korean stuff there, and this is their new Korean noodles. Seaweed always makes it better. So these noodles are actually tiny, and they're like, I was only gonna buy one, but like I'm like, oh, for the sake of the video, I'm gonna buy two. This tastes really interesting. There's like a herby taste to it, like minty, or kind of like licoricey, but it's spicy. It tastes, I guess, healthy, but it's not. But it's not. I forgot the other one, but they have like 3 of these. They have like the dried noodles, and then with 2 of them are soup. Next time I might buy the soup one. I actually want to try that one. I think the only thing that changed with this one is like the flavor, but the spiciness is still the same. Kind of like you can foreshadow the taste of it, even though it has a different packaging compared to the 2 times noodles. Like, you're gonna know that it wouldn't disappoint. It's kind of like it's still gonna be the same spiciness and kind of flavor as the 2 times spicy noodles. I also put cheese in these, but I thought what I grabbed was mozzarella cheese, but turns out they were different cheese. These noodles actually taste exotic. Like, you can tell it's the Korean food, but it tastes Indonesian, but it's Korean, mostly Korean. It's really interesting. Well, I'll finish that fast. I thought it was gonna be like a lot. I thought I can like fill up my bottle with it, like the juice that I bought. But turns out it's like only this much. I should have bought 2. It's like expensive though. One bottle, one sachet is like $1.85. The same price as the kombucha that I buy, which is fine. I understandable because it's like imported. So I just have water now, and I had like an extra drink in the fridge, like a leftover drink, so I just pour it over water. So now it tastes bland and kind of like sour. You know what I mean? Like if you put a drink and then put water over it, and mostly it's like water. There's still some sweetness, and now it's like sweet, but the flavor of the cranberry that I bought, it's like bland. Mostly water, but you can still taste the cranberry. I was gonna say earlier too that these noodles taste like oregano. I love oregano. I'm gonna open this. Oh, how do you open it? Maybe here. Like that. Okay. I was actually kind of scared to try it. It tastes like cheese puffs. It tastes like cheese puffs. I don't know, for some reason I thought it was gonna taste really weird because of the packaging, right? You would assume it would taste like something cheese puffy and kind of like creamy taste, but it tastes like 100% cheese puffs. This is really good. It tastes a lot like cheese puffs, but this one is a little bit subtle compared to cheese puffs. Cheese puffs is like stronger than this taste. I mean, cheese rings, I mean, in the Philippines here is like, there is a snack that's called cheese rings. It tastes a lot like this. So for this milk classic, there's actually, I think, two flavors of it. It's like, there's like vanilla one, then this cheese one. Vanilla one, I don't know what it would taste like. I think it would still taste the same as this, but it's vanilla, so it's hard to explain the flavor. But this cheese puff, I mean, this milk classic, it's like, it tastes just like cheese rings or cheese puffs. Cheese puffs in the US is like cheese rings here in the Philippines, and milk classic in Korea, I guess. This one, it tastes a little bit more cheese rings. It's sweet, and there's that. Maybe nostalgic taste to it. Oh, there's two in there. I thought it was only gonna be one. Which tastes like, this one tastes like skyflakes, strawberry skyflakes. The sourness and the tartness of strawberry I can taste. Yeah, there's that sourness of strawberry. Fancy. It is fancy. Skyflakes is like, I'm not like, trying to degrade skyflakes, but like skyflakes is like for everyday snack, and this one is like at least twice a month snack, because this one is like fancy. It's like those, I feel like, like in Korean dramas where they sometimes eat like in front of the table and they like grab snacks and stuff. I feel like this would be like one of the snacks that they will, or they can put on the table for their guests to have like afternoon tea or something. And skyflakes is like just like, you know what I mean, like for everyday snack, or like when you're starving you eat skyflakes like in one bite, right? But this one is like fancy. Okay, I'm gonna try the, oh, this one is different one from this one. It's a different brand. Okay, this one looks like a Belgian cookie, coated Belgian cookie. Let me see. I like it. Belgian cookie. It tastes like, this tastes a lot like Belgian cookie. You know those cookies that you get like in a box or something, and there's like assorted cookies? This one tastes a lot like one of those cookies in there. But Belgian cookie, yeah, it tastes a lot like Belgian cookie, except this one is a little bit better than the cookie that I used to eat. Yeah, so it's like a cracker coated with chocolate. But compared to the Belgian cookie that this one tastes a lot like with, I'm gonna say that I prefer the Belgian cookie one more, because this one also tastes fancy, but that one, I think that one takes another score, because that one is like, it's also fancy, but there's just like a lot of stuff on top of it, like just like sprinkles of stuff. There's like a rose petal there, but it doesn't taste like a rose petal. It's just like, you know, confettis. You know what I mean? That just like blends in with the taste of the cookie. So between between the two of these, I like them both, but you know, I feel like they're for different occasions kind of thing. This one has more like a strong flavor to it compared to this one. So, but I like both of them. But this one is just like really, the strawberry one, it's like really soft, and the chocolate one is like masculine, like strong taste. I think it's probably because of the espresso in there, the picture of the espresso. But if I had to choose, I would choose the chocolate one. But otherwise, these snacks are like, these snacks are like, they're great snacks. I mean, are they healthy? I don't know, but they're great. They're great snacks if you don't have any snacks at all. Like, you know, to just like conserve that hungerness, or like to feed your hunger, I guess. These are great snacks. I don't know what to say, but like, I don't think I've eaten a snack before that I don't really like. Because, you know, they make it so that you'll like them. Yeah. Pangtoa. And I have my Pangtoa. I have my Pangtoa chocolate bar. Oh, it's so melted. Oh no. Am I gonna eat this? Ooh, bitter chocolate. I think I'm gonna grab a spoon, because it's all melted. Chocolate is like really bitter. This is Thai. Is this made in Thai? Made in Thailand? It might be. It doesn't say. Oh, it's made in Korea. It's made in Korea, but it's like Thai writings. See, there's like Thai, and there's like Thai writings there. Oh, this is like a chocolate sandwich. See, it's like a chocolate sandwich. It's like, it reminds me of pandesal or like burger bun with ice cream on the like a burger bun with ice cream, like the dirty ice cream here in the Philippines. But this one is like cake, not bread. Yeah, instead of like cracker, like the Graham crackers, like this one is like a cake. It's also fancy, but it's not like gonna break your wallet kind of fancy. I mean, if you wanna eat this every day, you can, but like kind of thing. But oh, actually, I think this is like kind of like you can eat this at least 2 to 3 times a week kind of thing, not like every day kind of thing, like other chocolates are. I'm not sure, like, because it reminds me of Klondike, because Klondike I can eat like every day, like I eat that stuff every afternoon. Like I remember when I was in school in the US, I eat it like every afternoon. But if I remember it, but like I mostly remember it, so I like eat it every afternoon. But this one I feel like you can only eat this like once or twice or maximum 3 times a week, because it doesn't give you that craving factor. Like it gives you that I can only eat this like once or twice a week or 3 times, because it's not because it's fancy. I think it's probably because just like it's made like that. You know what I mean? But like Klondike ice cream, I can eat like every day, because I feel like it's made to be like that, like you can eat it every day. I don't know. Also like, you know what I mean? Like here in the Philippines, I feel like that Selecta ice cream, or like any ice cream that you find at the mall or like a grocery store, I feel like that's the Klondike, and that one is like by itself we can eat it like, it depends on the person I guess, but for me I feel like I can only eat it like once or twice a week. But like let's say Selecta ice cream like cheese flavor, I can eat that every day, like after I eat. It gives that, that flavor, because it's made for everyday taste, like you can eat it every day. But you know what I mean? I'm just like going over and over. You know what I mean? Kind of like this one too. This one is just like, I feel like this one is only for like fancy events, or if you feel like eating something fancy, you can eat this. But I feel like you're gonna be like in distress if you eat this every day, because it seems expensive. But this is actually affordable price, but I forgot what it was cost. I think it was like 100 something, but yeah, it's affordable, and there's like a lot of it in one box. There's like, I think there's like at least 10 or like 12 in the box. Strawberry. Okay, it just says strawberry. I thought it says 8. Yeah, this one is like fancy. And it doesn't give you that factor that you can eat this every day like feta is. Compared to feta I can eat every day. I can see myself eating it every day, but this one is like, I can eat this like once a week or like once a month, because I can see myself not eating it for at least like a month. But feta is like, compared to feta crackers, I feel like feta crackers, it gives you that like the urge to eat it every day. This one, it doesn't give you that urge. It's like for the, I'm not gonna say like for the higher people, but like for, I don't know, it's hard to explain, but it's just like, I feel like it's just for fancy events. And this one too, like for fancy events. Yeah, it's not made for everyday eating. Because there's like a wine there. I mean, you don't drink wine every day. You drink wine like at least once a week or like once a month. So yeah, I don't see myself eating this every day. I see myself eating it like once or twice a week or like once a month. This one I can eat like more than a month. I cannot eat this for like a month and I'll be fine. This one is like everyday snack that I can eat, because it tastes like cheese rings and like cheese puffs. Yeah, when I saw this, I was actually kind of scared to try it, because I don't know what it would taste like, because there's the cheese, then like a cracker or like bread. So I wasn't really had high hopes or like high expectations of what it would taste like, but I mean, I bought it because it's interesting and it's from Korea and it's like cheese flavors. I'm like, what does it taste like with cheese? You know. But I wouldn't guess that would taste like cheese rings or cheese puffs. Yeah, I can live without this for like a month and not look for it. But like if it's the only snack that I can eat, then like I eat it and won't complain about it because it's still good. They also have the choco bun or like choco pie or some choco bun. I don't know. I forgot what it's called. Sorry guys, but it's like, I think it's choco pie. Choco pie. I don't like choco pie. I don't know, for some reason I don't like it. But this one I like. I think this is I prefer this one compared to the strawberry one. But like compare this one to the Belgium chocolate one, or the Belgium. It looks exactly like it's like that cracker or like that chocolate or like that cookie. it looks like this. It's like there's a cookie there and then there's like a chocolate here, but like that chocolate one has like sprinkles on top, just like white sprinkles. And you know those, it's not birthday party sprinkles, like, you know, your sprinkles on the cake, like the sprinkles that you sprinkle on the cake, but this, or like muffin or something, or like what do you call those, cupcakes? No, those are not the sprinkles I'm talking about, but the Belgium chocolate one, or the Belgium cookie one, it has like red sprinkles and like fancy. It's like silver and kind of like that. And yeah, that one's fancy. That one I can eat every day, but this one, because I feel like that one is made for everyday eating. But this one is like once a month eating, or like once a week eating, or like once or twice a month eating, and 3 times is the maximum eating of this. Well, you know, something is like when you say something out loud, it's funny when you hear yourself saying it, but like if you say it just like in your mind, it makes sense. But like if you say it out loud, it's like, that's weird. Like this, if you say it on your head, it's like, okay, binge. But like if you say it out loud, like, binge? That sounds so weird. I like German. It reminds me of like Germany vibe. Belgium, is Belgium German? No, it's not. Belgium. Yeah, this is actually good, like with the wine, because there's that tartiness of the chocolate and just like that strong cocoa flavor of like bitter. Yeah, this is good with wine and like and there's like a cracker. So it's like a fun wine, what do you call it? Pair. A wine pair. This is good with wine. If you pair it with wine, this is good. Because it's not like it's not like boring that you just eat chocolate, like chocolate bar every sip of wine, but there's that crunchiness of the cracker. So it's kind of like fun at the same time. So you're like having fun sipping wine. So I just like, I forgot what this is also called. I think this one is like latte. I don't know how they say this, latte world, but yeah, latte world. But anyway, yeah, I was just like, if you say things in your head, I feel like it sounds normal, but like if we try to say them out loud, I feel like it's really interesting, or like really weird sounding word. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye, thank you.